Hello, hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an animated accordion and interactive accordion in Figma step by step. So it's quite easy. So let's get started. So first of all, we have accordion heading. So I'll just simply gonna write down heading, and I'll give it a font size of 24 because this is the main text. Okay, right, left aligned. Now the other thing will be I'll giving it some stroke on top, duplicate this thing, and now I'll be having some arrow also. I'll use pen tool to create it like this. Make it a little bold, rounded. No, not rounded, sharp. I think sharp is fine. Just stroke a little bit different. Okay, so now this should have some extra content here, so I'll just going to give it some extra content. Font size a little small. Hello world, how hello world, how are you doing, guys? Okay, so keep it like responsive. Whatever you want to do, just keep it responsive. Okay, now group these two things like this, like now these two on auto layout, give a spacing of 12, and now everything in auto layout give a spacing of 4 at 4, maybe 12. Okay, it's working nicely. So currently this is opened. Now I'll duplicate this, and now I'll rotate. This is the second state we are creating. Rotate it like this, like 180 degree. Oh sorry, it's a 180. Okay, I'm not able to rotate it. Oh, why? Okay, 180 degree, like this. And top one is a closed one, so make sure it's not visible at all. It should be hidden. So select this area. Okay, this inner select the inner frame which we have created. Okay, select the inner frame and like this. Okay, now adjust it like this, and once again select the inner frame and clip the content, so bottom content will be hidden. Now select these two things and create a component set, and here we go. The first one is simply closed one, and the second one is the open one. And now prototype it, drag it here, on click, smart animate it, and play with this custom spring thing. Okay, smart animate custom, and if I click on this, I should go back. Okay, use the same properties on click, and now from a library just drag it, make duplicates of it, auto basically auto layout it, and minus something or 0 you can give it, and now preview it. It should work. Let's see. And here we go. It's working really nicely. This is how you make it. You can beautify it, but this was it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.